afternoon. I
Good
want to
afternoon.
take video cars.
Sir?
I want to take video cars which are available now.
Video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which cars available now?
You are a vlogger,
Yeah.
sir?
Yeah.
Right, here, sir.
Expander.
The Expander Cross.
Okay.
Magtitin may ata.
But you already sold this car?
Yes, sir.
Already sold, and
Yeah.
customer want to put film, yes?
Tint, yeah.
And how much?
1,280,000.
How much put film?
Sir, sorry?
How much put film?
Put the tint.
Film, yes.
It's free.
It's free.
The sun tint here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's free only.
Oh, it's very good. Very popular car.
What, sir?
Very popular car in the Philippines.
Very popular.
Maybe every month you can sell so much.
Yes.
So many cars here.
It's very popular now, especially the all new 2023 Expander.
Because gasoline high now.
You are a vlogger, sir.
Yeah.
This is a content.
I already take video before in Toyota. Mitsubishi.
So, okay, you were creating video and
Yeah.
then you posted.
Yeah. It's because my friends asking they want to come to Philippines and buy car.
Okay.
This is regular expander. This is expander cross.
Yeah.
Yes. Same price or not? Or a little
No,
bit higher?
this one is 1,180,000.
180 and another cross.
Sir, that's Expander Cross.
Expander cross how much?
1,280,000.
20. 100,000 more. Sorry. Exit or not?
Sir,
What model? Exit or not? What model is Pantera?
Black Series.
How much money is
2 million.
It's expensive. Also 7 seats, yes? But this building also have service center, yes?
Yes. We have a service center here.